problem is find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 up to 253. In each time we are finding the 20th term or 15th term by using the starting numbers. Here they are asking we need to find out the 20th term from the last term. From the last term means from the 253 term. This is the 253 is the first term, that is A1. By using this A1 we need to find out, by solving this we need to find out the 20th term. From the last we need to find out the 20th term. So that here A is 253. To find out the D value, first we need to solve this sequence. Here A is 3, D is equal to A2 minus A1, D is equal to 8 minus 3, D is equal to 5. Here each time we are getting the difference 5. So here also we will get the difference 5. 253 minus 5 means D is equal to 248. So A2 value is 248. Here A1 value is 253. A2 value is 248. It will continue like this up to 20th term. Here A is equal to 253, D is equal to difference is 5. We need to find out the 20th term. 20th term is equal to question mark. Here apply the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN as it is. A is equal to 253 plus N is 20 minus 1. D value is 5. AN is equal to 253 plus 20 minus, here difference is minus 5. Why means here D is equal to A2 minus A1. This is the A2 value. A2 value is 248 minus 253. D is equal to minus 5. So here minus 5. 20 minus 1, 19 minus 5. AN is equal to 253. 19 5 is 95, plus into minus minus. AN is equal to, if we subtract this 253 by 95, 13 minus 5, 8. Here 4 will get 14 minus 9, 5, 158. So therefore from the last 20th term will be 158. This is the solution.